Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have a beautiful 2013 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter V8 Hemi with the Bighorn package. This is an extended cab version of the car, but Dodge calls this one the quad cab. Crew cab would be the full-size door. This one has just a little bit smaller of a door, but still four-door. This one's four-wheel drive, comes with the BF Goodrich all-terrain tires all the way around. Get down there on tread life, but still enough left for a bit longer. Comes with the running boards, the chrome wheels, and matches really well with the chrome door handles and chrome front and rear bumpers. So you see the updated front end here from the previous generation, and looks really nice, aggressive, and very large. Like I said, comes with a 5.7 Hemi, good to go. Very nice motor, well kept, good condition there. See the paint's really nice and clean. Just have a little bit of bug bites here at the bottom front bumper, but other than that, paint's really nice. Comes with tinted windows all the way around, 2-inch lift, so you can see the bracketing in there for the suspension. But the interior's all there, very nice interior. Comes with dual stage glove box, original owner's manual. Also comes with factory floor mats, power windows, locks, mirrors, and driver's seat. Automatic up and down windows for driver and passenger side. Smoke and pipe-free vehicle. 4 previous owners, no accidents, auto check certified. Has a power sliding rear mirror here. Seats do fold up. Excellent condition on this side, very nice. Comes with 4-wheel disc brakes, dual exhaust. See the 4x4 designation, tow package. Comes with a rugged bed liner, protect against anything you want to put in the cargo area. Has a Ram logo here on the door. I think that's a nice little touch. And then your power locks, windows, and mirrors. And then for headlights, you have automatic headlights and also fog lights, so you just turn it over and then push, and then your fog lights do turn on. Interior illumination and dome canceling. And then as you can see, the power seat with lumbar support. So definitely a very comfortable truck to sit in. Comes with a nice large steering wheel, leather wrapped, cruise control, and the controls for the infotainment, and then volume controls are on the back. So on the back here of the steering wheel. So for here we have our 4-wheel drive system, AC system. We have a 115 volt or 150 watt standard plug. We have our USB plug here. We have a tow button, pull out storage tray, charging port here, and then we also have traction control that you can turn on and off. Vehicle comes keyless entry. You see here there's plenty of vehicle information, so you can monitor the vehicle's mechanical summary there, engine oil life, your speed. You can adjust the how the gauge layout is, and then you can also see the radio station or what you're listening to, and then also your trip A, B, fuel economy. So a bunch of good stuff there, and then it keeps track of your coolant temperature, battery voltage, engine oil pressure, fuel, of course your speed. Then it also comes with these switches here for a lower gear drive. And then here we have radio or your media, your phone, compass, settings, and more. So it shows you your clock or outside temperature.
It could have also been Coke, vanilla, cherry Coke, or cherry vanilla.
So the stereo sounds really nice, and then you can actually set quite a bit of presets on here. So if we go to all, you can see you can set more than just the standard 6. You can set 12. So pretty nice little features there on the Dodge, and the AC's ice cold right at the start. Comes with a nice big rear view mirror. And you just push that switch and Power rear window opens and closes. I think that's a real nice feature there. Comes with dual map lighting. Then also vanity mirror for the one side. It's a working man's truck, so driver's side doesn't get the mirror. It revs up nicely and idles smoothly. Combination switch for the interval wipers. And we have a nice big center console here that can dual roll into a front seat. And then in here, we also have our change storage. We also have another USB auxiliary port and an additional charger with 3 cup holders. And I think it's kind of nice because the cup holders have the little rubber, so in case you have a bigger drink, they can accommodate that as well too. So no warning lights on the dash, 4-wheel drive works flawlessly, and there you have it. Just a nice clean Dodge Ram truck ready for the new owner. Find this beautiful 2013 Dodge Ram exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.